Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Bad times going on. Everyone is stressed and depressed, but let's not complain too much and rather focus on the positive things. Okay. Okay, now today we are going to learn about the best YouTube channels, the best coding practicing platforms, the best websites, the best apps, and the best MCQ practice platform where we can practice the MCQs for programming. So at first we will start with the YouTube channels. So going to the interface, we come here and find Code with Harry. Code with Harry has got 1.38 million subscribers, which is one of the best channels in Hindi. We can learn coding here for free, which is the best. What do you say? And the next channel comes is Anuj Bhaiya, 117k subscribers. He too got some cool videos about programming where we can learn about that. You see, there are a lot of videos like that, stars and element in a sorted and rotated array. Okay, something like that. This is one of the platforms where we can learn for free. And another comes is Apna College. They recently completed 500k subscribers. That's great. Here you've got a complete playlist of C++ with around 225 videos. That's pretty cool. And next comes is this Janice Lectures, CSIT, Net and JRF. You will find it pretty interesting, I guess. This is good. And next come is Get Smashers. Here we'll find some, what do you say? Some pretty cool videos about programming from where we can learn about programming. Okay. And next is Telusko. See here the cover picture speaks it all. Django, Eclipse, Telusko, Spring, Java. Yeah, that is everything. Like see, you can see zero Python programming tutorial for beginners. If you're a beginner, come here. You can learn for free. It doesn't matter if you know something about programming or not. It doesn't matter. Come and learn for free. And the next platform is mycodeschool.com with 672k subscribers. They got some pretty cool videos programming in C, start with programs in C. These are some questions. And the next next platform is programming with Mosh. This one is also a cool YouTube channel for programming. You see the Python full course, JavaScript in 1 hour, Java beginners tutorial, MySQL, top 3 programming languages, JavaScript framework, what is Python, everything. He's explained everything in pretty cool manner. And the next channel is FreeCodeCamp. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I learned Python and C++ here from FreeCodeCamp, and it was great. Like he was Mike, I guess. His name was Mike who taught me Python and C++. Pretty cool with 3.6 million subscribers. And the next is Traversy Media, 1.53 million subscribers. All are in millions. Here also you can learn about programming. See, HTML crash course, CSS crash course, JavaScript crash course, all are free. Next platform is ProgrammingKnowledge, 1.39 million subscribers. Okay, that's pretty great. Okay, here we've got all this Python tutorial, like all the languages. See, it's Java, Python. They have got almost everything. Pretty cool, huh? And the next next platform is Derek Banas. That too with subscribers 1.12 million. That's pretty good. With 1.12 million subscribers, this channel is running teaching free programming languages for everyone. And the next platform is Clever Programmer. Yeah, obviously maybe clever. 954k subscribers. To know if he is clever or not, you can go to his channel and go through his videos to learn something. JavaScript 8-hour course, Python tutorial 2020 11 hours course. That's pretty great. And the next comes is the New Boston. The New Boston has got some real cool features. See, Python with crawler tutorials, Python 3.4, Linux tutorial for beginners, Django. Pretty cool. All you can learn is for free. Then comes LearnCode.academy with 736k subscribers. Okay, that's cool. Learn web development fast, Arango. Then here comes the Node.js, jQuery, JavaScript. Hey, everything is here. You can just have to learn. If you're interested, you can come to all these channels and learn for free. Everything is free. And the last comes is last in this, YouTube channels that come is My Code School with 603k subscribers. They too have almost covered everything of programming. Like this is the C programming interview questions, sorting algorithms, data structures. Yes, C++, pointers. Yeah, almost everything. Okay, you can go through their channels to learn. If you're interested, you can go learn from their channels. Okay guys, coming back, we are now going to see the best coding practicing platforms to practice coding for free. So the first one is HackerRank. In the last video I told you the difference between HackerRank and LearnCode. If you haven't watched it, go watch it now. It's right there in my channel. You can practice here for free in the HackerRank. And the next come is TopCoder. Yes, this is also a good practicing platform. You can practice here for free. And the next come is my favorite, CodeChef. Which is the best practicing platform for me. I personally like this platform because everything is what you say. It's pretty cool. Like you go to the interface, if there is practice and learn, you can practice all the easy questions. All are sorted in easy, beginner, hard, advanced, something like that. So it's pretty cool for you to find out which one is easy. And if you're a beginner, yeah, it's pretty cool. You should try CodeChef. And the next is CoderVibe. I haven't tried this yet, but let's see. In future I may. Okay, that's pretty good platform. All these you can practice for free. Then the next come is LearnCode. Yes, LearnCode. In the last video I told you the difference between HackerRank and LearnCode. Okay, LearnCode is too a pretty good platform. If you are experienced programmer, you should try LearnCode. Then next is HackerArt. Okay, I haven't tried HackerArt yet, but I hope this is also a good platform for practicing the platforms. Practicing the programming. And the next is last exorcism. Yeah, I tried exorcism once, but there is disadvantage of it that it demands its own IDE for practicing. Like you have to install your own IDE for practicing it. Okay, that's pretty cringe, right? Like you have to install your IDE again, go to Google, download something. Yeah, it's better you go to CodeChef, my favorite, and start practicing from today itself. Okay guys, now I'm going to tell you the websites. I'm going to tell you the websites about practicing or learning programming, whatever. Let's take you to the interview. It's raining outside, but let it rain. I'm gonna do my own work. So the first one that comes is W3 Schools. It's a website where you can learn programming. You can practice. I don't know if you can practice or not. Go and give it a try. You will get to know about it. So this is where you can learn, w3schools.com. And the next one is Geeks for Geeks. This is the best to speak the truth. Like if you don't understand a problem, right, like a programming problem, you just not going through it, you're not getting it, come to Geeks for Geeks and write the question and you can understand it here very easily. And the next come is Programmers. They have got almost everything: Python programming, C programming, Java, JavaScript, Vue, all courses. Not interested. The next one is Study Tonight, studytonight.com. Simplified programming education. You can learn here for free. They got some certificates, real world like projects, context setting videos. And the next one is tutorials. What do you say? I'm sorry, JavaPoint, javapoint.com. They'll have almost everything. You can come here and learn for free if you're interested, whatever. And the next platform is FreeCodeCamp, my favorite. This is also a good website. You can, I think I once saw that you can get your certificates of learning programming. Like if you learn a language, for example, if you learn C++, you'll get a certificate from FreeCodeCamp. Pretty cool, huh? And the next one is SoloLearn, www.sololearn.com. This is another platform. Go and give it a try. Next one is Guru 99. Good website, good place, good weather. Go and learn. No one is stopping you. And the next one is tutorials point. I don't know, it's loading from that time. I don't know why it's loading. Or let it be. It doesn't matter, but remember the name. It's www.tutorialspoint.com. Okay. Okay, guys. Next comes some apps. You can find it on Play Store. You can learn there. There are 4 apps basically. If in my knowledge, you can go give it a try. The first one is SoloLearn. Like there is a website of them, www.sololearn.com. I showed you. Next one is Programming Hub. It's an app, Programming Hub, and the next one is Grasshopper, and the next one is Mimo. There are 4 apps. You can go give it a try. The first one is SoloLearn, second one Programming Hub, third one Grasshopper, fourth Mimo. Okay, guys, the last one. Let me assume that you have learned programming. So now you want to practice the MCQs, multiple choice questions, but you are not finding a perfect place to do it. You are worried, but that doesn't matter because I am here to show you all where to practice the MCQs of a programming language you have learned. The first one is Gigs for Geeks. Gigs for Geeks provides you with a lot of multiple choice questions. If you wanna try, you can go to your website www.geeksforgeeks.org and you can find a lot of them. And the next one is examveda.com. examveda.com too has a lot of MCQ questions. If you wanna try, go give it a try. And the next one is www.cppbudge.com. It's got a lot of MCQ questions, like you can see here: MCQ 190C, MCQ beginner, MCQ practitioner, MCQ expert, everything. MCQ 265, top 100 MCQs, MCQ beginner, C++, this Python, PHP, everything. You just have to give it a try if you are interested. And the next one is zenfoundry.com. This platform too has got a lot of questions, multiple choice questions. You can see here with your own eyes. A lot of men. And then next is indiabix.com. This too provides a lot of multiple choice questions. If you are interested, come to this platform and learn for free. There is no loss. And the next one is Avato. Next one, last one. Okay. This one is Avato. You can learn here for free. You can, practice some multiple choice questions for free. Okay. Okay, that's it. That's all for today. This was the last, MCQ, website for MCQ. Last but not the least, remember, whatever. Thank you guys. This was all for today. If you like it, go like and subscribe my channel, and please leave a valuable comment of yours, which I will accept as a feedback of my videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.